Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading new contacts from Zoho CRM to Kajabi. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from Zoho to other systems. For example, in Kajabi you can add new people to conveniently store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First you need to create a new connection. Next you need to select the Zoho CRM data source system. Next, you need to choose an action. Get contacts, new. Next you need to connect your Zoho CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window we need to specify the username and password of the Zoho personal account. You also need to grant ApiX-Drive permission to work with your Zoho account. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Zoho system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see data for one of your contacts. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Zoho CRM data source successfully. Now you need to go to the data reception settings. Choose Kajabi as the data receiving system. Next, you need to select an action. Send data. At this stage, you need to create a Kajabi virtual account in the ApiX-Drive system. In this window you can give it a name. It is also necessary to fill in the URL for receiving data field. To get it, go to your personal account Kajabi. Then you need to go to the Sales Offers section. Choose the necessary offer. Click More. Webhooks. Copy the activation URL and paste it into the corresponding field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required field is filled, click Save. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. At this stage, we need to choose the type of data sending. Choose Post. Next you need to fill in the parameters, where name is the variable name from Kajabi. You can use the variable's name, email, external user ID. We write these values manually. In the value field you need to assign a variable from Zoho CRM that corresponds to the name field. In order to add another set of variables, click Add. When all the necessary parameters are compiled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to Kajabi to the specified link for each new contact from Zoho CRM. If something does not suit you, click Edit and go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Kajabi. After successful submission, go to Kajabi and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. This completes the Kajabi data reception setup successfully. Now you need to enable auto update and select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.